Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can play hentai Steam games without your friends knowing on Steam. So let's say that you got like those sweet mama. So what you want to do is when you're gonna want to play, I don't know, like Mirror, like who plays these games? I got no idea. What the is this? Just go click and friends and chat and just click on your profile and go to offline. When you're offline, no one is going to know that you are actually playing hentai game on Steam, my brother. So this is how you do it. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, you can also go invisible, but I don't recommend that. Go full offline mode so people don't know what you're doing, my brother. So goodbye, my brother. I hope you're going to have a great day, my brother. No, you are not my brother. You are my friend, my brother. You are my neighbor, my brother, my friend. Goodbye, happy people. And don't forget to enjoy your games.